What's up guys, Silence Money here and welcome back to another video. Today is completely different from all the videos I would usually make. Today I treated myself, well, a couple of days ago I treated myself with, what we call it, a fire pit. 2-in-1 fire pit. It's a grill, which I'll include as much of an unboxing and setup as I can in this video also. But I am doing a little setup, as you can see. I hope I'm not blocking anything. I bought all of these chairs for $11 on clearance at Walmart. And the fire pit, I got a huge discount for it. It was $249, I think, and I got it for $199 plus taxes. So like 200 and like I'm gonna say $207. I don't really remember, but I got good deals. I wanted one for the longest, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm planning on grilling and roasting tonight. So yeah, but what I wanted to do was clean up the ground, rake it up, and pat it down flat so the chairs, don't sink into the ground because it's soft ground. And I have a rock mound nearby, and I was gonna steal some rocks and borrow some rocks and sprinkle it over to make it look nice, if you will. And I'll try to record as much as that also. I wish I know technology and how to do the fast forward thing. I can try it, but I don't think I know how to do it. I think it's a hyperlapse. We're gonna find something out. But anyway, so my first plan of attack is to mark the area somehow of where the chair is gonna be, and hopefully the size of the fireplace is gonna fit over here. And I'm gonna rake outward from all the leaves and stuff. I'm gonna get my shovel, bat it down flat, and then go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with my car and buckets of rocks, dump it, rake it out, dump it, rake it out, dump it, rake it out, dump it, rake it out. So hopefully the chairs will sit perfectly on top of the rock, and the fire pit itself will sit perfectly on top of the rock, and it'll look as presentable as possible. That's the plan, that is. And then hopefully later tonight I'll make a quick video of, me either just burning it or cooking or whatnot. And yeah, that's about it. So first thing first, let's hit the raking. I don't know if the glare from the sun or my lenses does it justice, but I'm tired. Woo, I'm tired. It looks like I'm tilling the ground to plant a garden or something. But the surrounding is set. So next step is, I guess, like if I wanted to, I could rip up some of the plants from out the ground, but I don't think there's a point. So my next approach is to get my car ready and get some buckets, fill it up with some rocks, start pouring it in the center and dumping it up. But I forgot, I'm gonna have to pat these down. I'll have to pat it down to more compact the ground because it's very soft. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, I painstakingly got in the rocks. Now I'm gonna dump them all in the middle and rake them out and keep repeating until it's all filled. I'm sure I'm gonna be doing this with the rocks about like, so this is the first batch of 3, but how it looks, I might need like 5 or 6 batches of going back and forth, but might as well do it now. Why not? It's still early, so I will be back once all the rock is here. So I'll see you when I come back. All right, here it is. Here it is. I got the big horn. Was it ranch fire pit from Lowe's? Got it on clearance. Well, it was $20 off, 20% off sale. So, oh, the ground has not set yet. So I'm leaning here, but I'm gonna try to open this thing up as fast as I can. Ooh. Ooh, this flap is huge. There's a box in a box. It's a more fragile box, but a box in a box nonetheless. Oh goodness. Okay, there's a. All right. Woohoo! Oh. There's a lot going on here. Okay, I hope and pray that there's nothing damaged on here. But here's the grate. This is the grate that holds the grill in it. It's a 2-in-1. It's like layers. Here's another one. I might put this in the grass because I don't want it to get scratched. Either I'll hyperlapse me putting this together, or I'll just come back when it's built, because this is a lot of pieces to go through, and it's gonna take a while, and I don't really want this video to be that long. Alright, here's the last piece. Alright, put that box to the side. These are, I believe, is a part of the legs. So just put that to the side. Oh boy, my back is killing me. Oh ho! There's the box. I like this packaging though. Did a good job. Here's another box. Let's see what's in it. Oh, nice. I think this is the other parts of the legs here. Put that to the side. Well, if you didn't see it, come here. Oh, it's in a bag. I'm sure the glare is messing it up. And for this part, I'll just bring the camera. I'll just show y'all in the box. This is the fire pit. Let me take a seat because I'm a young old man. Oh, here's the handle. I think, yeah, this is the handle. Oh boy. Instruction manual. This is what I like. It comes with a bag to, you know, protect it from the elements when not in use. Accessory grade included. Heavy gauge steel construction, durable black porcelain coated finish, charcoal grade. Placed on the top of log rack. The pan holds charcoal for traditional style barbecue or ash coal grate placed under log rack. The pan helps catch ash and coals from the fire. So I think you could turn it upside down here or this way. Is there anything on the bottom? Nope. So we're gonna put this to the side. Hope this box don't cut up my feet. What's here? That's it for that. I don't even know what that is. I don't know what this is. But that to the side, like I said, instruction manual. Here are all the screws. Yummy. So that'll be fun. And got this. Put that over there. And yeah, I want to show you the design real quick before I start putting this bad boy together. So this is the design. The diamond shaped breather holes. There's holes on the bottom, but I'm sure it's for the legs. So it's a completely sealed bottom. Sounds wonderful. So yeah, got some. Think this is also for the. Oh, there's something on the bottom. Wait a minute. Oh, come on. Whew. It's a pretty good size too. Not too big, not too small. So I don't have to adjust this. So that's good. And oh, there it is. But for my people out there who loves to grill, there it is. This is the grill grate, the grill rack. Put all your good stuff on there. Your steak, your chicken, and whatnot. Your burgers. There you go. That's my favorite part. And that's about it. That's about it. That's about it. That's about it. So I'm gonna put this behemoth of a box to the side in the wilderness. Let's read the instructions and start piecing this bad boy together. Alright, and there you have it. Here's the ground. It looks pretty nice to me. Here's the chairs. Here's the fire pit. And it has a little tarp that fits perfectly, even with the grill grate still on it. So I got the charcoal grate on the bottom. On the bottom is for the wood, and on top of this, the metal thing is for actually charcoal grilling. So, yep. So either I'll end the video here, or I'll show some extra after the fact footage of it actually lit. But if I don't make a video, this is it. This is how it looks. I'm gonna show a picture to my family. See their how they feel about it. This is unique. This is very unique. This is pretty. Other than the chairs and that, pretty much everything else with doing this out to the ground was completely free. They have to go anywhere. I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is nice. This is nice. I wanted to do something like this for years. But my priorities wasn't, you know, to spend money on this at the time. It still isn't, but it was a big deal. This was $11 on clearance each. I do not remember the original price, but I saved a lot of money. So I was like, if I don't do it now, I'm not going to be able to get it. So I took the chance. I haven't even used it yet, and I'm in love with it. This is beautiful. You know, can have family time, especially in the winter months when it is cold. But yeah, it you know, when it rains, it'll wash it out, and more of this will settle, so it should be more firmer than how it is. But yeah, that's about it. By the way, this wood I got from Walmart, this wood smells delicious. It's East Coast firewood. If you are interested in it, if I can find it, I'll put it in the description down below. Same thing with this butte. And if you use it, leave down the comments. If you have one, how does, you know, what is your favorite thing to cook on it? You know, is it a good grill? Is it a good fire pit? You know, let me know. Let me know. First ever fire pit in my life. First time ever using a fire pit personally. So it's the first time for everything. First time ever grilling. I've never grilled before, ever. And I love to cook. I cook all the time, but I never grilled before. So it'll be my first time grilling on this. Hopefully the leaves in the tree don't fall on the food. But we gonna find out. But yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Tyler 120 out. Peace.